For new videos, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to bookmark a web address of specific sites. It is not easy to remember web address of every site you like to visit, but thankfully, bookmarks makes it simple and organize specific websites so we can visit them again and again. To make your current website as bookmark, click on the star. By default, it will be saved to the bookmarks bar folder, but you can select the different location to save by clicking the drop down button. There are three options: bookmarks bar, other bookmarks, mobile bookmarks, and you can also choose another folder by clicking on it. Right now, we will click on bookmarks bar. Once done, click done. It will be saved into your chosen folder. So later on, if you want to revisit the website, just click on the three dots, then go to bookmarks, then scroll down, and here you can find the page is already saved in the bookmarks book bar folder. Just click on it to open it. In this way you can visit any web address of your every site again and again. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it.